Nyamasisa chinonzi trust chakaoma.
Mm.
If your wife cheat on you or your husband cheat on you, for you to gain a little bit of trust, they must accept their mistake,
Mm-hmm.
apologize, and then you can move on. So I mean, like some people might not have a problem of because we got something we are fighting together on the constitution, but some people they were dented to their hearts, and at the very same time, oh, what is happening right now? You look, and I will tell you, I'm a follower of Wachamis.
Mm.
You look that when these things were happening, oh, why is he not talking? Hey, why is it? Akatengesa. Those are the people. And then at the very same time, you're talking about unity. So the same thing like if your mother is called Muroi, anyone adazoengage with you, akauza kuti amai vako Muroi, unenge wakuti ini ndiri mwana wacho saka why do you want to engage with me? Kana wakauza amai vangu kuti Muroi. This is what is happening. I think those are the people who messed up the struggle. They need to say their stand kuti paya takakanya, accept takakanya paya, so that you can start having a new beginning. Boss, sometimes Yamashisha, we cannot control every individual to say, let's do it as a unity. Anozi Baba Abraham wakamboya vanoda kutraya kuti vanoda tite a unit. People denied. So, and also these other leaders, they must not have a double standards. I can even mention Wopo Shingono. Is somebody that's saying is somebody already recognized in the society. You are supposed to be spearheading people to unite. You come and throw aspersions on Vachamisa. Trust me, it causes a lot of chaos when it comes to this unit. I think the leaders must come out and say, guys, what happened before? We need to fix. We have made mistakes.
But Wopo is not a leader.
He is.
Why? A leader? Why?
You know why I say he is.
He's a leader.
Remember, he wanted to start a GIE in diaspora. He is a leader, Nyamas. Even yourself, Nyamasisha Mimiga, you are a leader. Because your space here, you congregate us here, and then we discuss meaningful things. There are certain people we look up. A leader, it doesn't mean that you lead a political party. Whatever he says, it affects a lot of people. And some people, you see, it causes grudges. So as a person who is on that position here, we expect him to be very cautious of what you say, because you can cause a lot of problems.
But
Zimbabweans.
but he has always argued or whatever it is that he says, he's saying it as a journalist.
As a journalist, you should have asked, what do you mean about here the conclusion? You can, as a journalist, you cannot make a conclusion before you ask the person what they mean. As a journalist, you must be on the neutral point. Ask Uti, okay, with this message, what are you saying? Tell us, expand, expand on whatever you're saying. You know what I mean? Detailed understanding. But when you come in, I mean, like Yamashita, you can look at the history. These people has been back and forth. So I think I'm just hoping with these leaders, they will not have double standards of saying, let's unite. When it comes to one person, they come in pondering on that person. So that person, let him do like what you're saying, Yamashita, and I like your statement, say, let everybody do whatever they can do. And it's also Nyangwe, BT, Monzora, I will never say what they're doing is bad. No. But don't say somebody is doing whatever they are doing is bad. The moment you do that, you are trying to sanitize yourself and trying to make other person a bad person. Of which this time, when you talk of unity, be faithful and truthful about the unity and try and encourage people. And the moment you put anything to denigrate other leader, you have messed up. And remember, we always say, this other leader has got 2 million people who begged him. And even some people say, yeah, he doesn't have that support anymore. But there are millions of people who support him. And trust me, people will just ignore you. You understand, Yamasita?
You want to
Yeah.
sound no,
And
yeah, I'm
do you
hearing you.
remember, by the time Geza here,
Mm,
Geza lied kuti Wachamisa is on board. And then
mm.
Wachamisa said, no, I'm not running. And that really made everything go wire because Geza, he lied. You know what I mean? So we need leaders who are truthful and who are able to say nyango akavunzwa nzi but iwo monzera wakatengesa anofanira kuaccepta kuti I'm sorry I made a mistake. I'm thinking that we must go in a new direction. Even Gini kana that's why you see Nube, Main Kore, they are quiet because they can't say anything because they supported Chabangu to out kubudisa Wachamisa. So sometimes when it comes to politics, background yako it matters. Nyamashish.
Right.
Whenever you want to echo out something, your background, people look at your background because trust inonetsa kuizwa kune munhu akambotengesa the vote of people. You might be on the right track, you are trying to do good, but to put it across to other people, it's very tough. Inenge yakutoda isusu vamwano tine skin inenge nigini yenzou kuti I think we can try it and see where it goes. But some other people, they are
Yeah.
better. But I'm telling you, vote 2023, it messed up a lot of voters not to have confidence in so many of these other leaders whom they were looking up to. So people can have a discomfort kuti pamwe tinogona kuti iko tauda kusvika kwokuti tada kupedza 2030 atobva tatwa kuzambukile omulako anivona vanhu vanenge vachitya anivona ndo problem iyoyo manje. So it's better ka
Mawuchika uzambuka lo mnyaka.
romunyaka isha ndati ndevele anivona ka sakani we when you are a leader because otherwise we are not going to have 100% support if they don't just acknowledge what you know what we have disagreements, we have messed up before, we need to start on a new page and trust us this time we are making sure that we are doing the right thing. But you cannot do that whilst beside ukukanda maspanners in some other leaders. You know what I mean? So I'll use my mic now, give a chance to other people.